Legacy technology is still found in many companies, even as they push to modernize. Sometimes these older systems remain because replacing them is expensive or complicated. But legacy tech can create serious cybersecurity risks. Many older devices and software no longer receive security updates, and some were built before today's threats, like ransomware, even existed. This means they might lack basic protections, such as strong passwords or encryption. Companies may not always realize that even new software can include older components, making it harder to spot vulnerabilities. Keeping track of every device and software version is essential. By knowing what's in their network, companies can quickly identify weak points and respond to threats. For very old systems, even simple steps like updating passwords or adding firewalls can help. As technology evolves, so do the risks. Protecting legacy tech is about understanding what you have and making sure every part of your system is secure. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement, specializing in cloud, telecom, wireless networking, contact centers, cybersecurity, and more.